This is the Amazon Basics wired keyboard. I wanted a cheap keyboard to go with my new monitor. So this had really good reviews online. I like it. Works perfectly. It's got like a not loud but noticeable mechanical sound. That might bug you. I don't know why it would, but I don't mind it. And I guess one thing that's slightly annoying is it doesn't sit totally flat. I don't know if I can demonstrate. Very tiny little bit of wobble there, but it's not that big of a deal. For 10 to 12 bucks, however much this goes for now, it's totally worth it. Check it out.